Building Schools for the Future is a government-funded initiative to replace or refurbish every secondary school in the country over the next 10 years. It aims to change the educational experience for pupils and teachers, ensuring that every child is educated in a 21st century environment. Learning will be transformed through flexible and imaginative accommodation, substantial investment in information and communication technologies, increased accessibility for local communities, and high-quality teaching and learning environments. Everest Community College is an example of a new school building designed by Hampshire County Council architects. Everest now replaces the previous antiquated school building, which held limited facilities. Key features of the new building include low-energy design, flexible indoor and outdoor learning spaces for pupils and the wider community, and advanced ICT throughout. The building was designed in consultation with teachers, governors, pupils and the community.
The best thing that I like about the school is probably just the environment around it, because in the old school there wasn't such a close feeling with each other, but I mean we have so much support behind us, and it's such a nice environment to work in because everyone has the right attitude to learning now. It's not a struggle to come to school, it's just basically wanting to come every day.
The families and communities can't miss the school. Majority of people can actually see it from their homes. They want to come and see what the school's got to offer. It's a big building, it's light, it's bright. They have lots of activities up here, lots of clubs come up and use the facilities. This is a big benefit to the community.
The new build has had a tremendous impact on the teaching and learning in the school. For one, it's enabled me to recruit really top quality teachers, and if you've got top quality teachers, then you improve teaching and learning in the classroom. The space at the moment, we have 540 children on roll. When we're full, we have 750. We're increasing from the bottom end, from year 7. So in this year, we have 150 in for year 7, and for next September, we have another 150 coming in, and we've actually got a waiting list for a first time, which is fantastic.
Building Schools for the Future will be the biggest single investment ever in Hampshire's secondary schools. In Hampshire, the project will be led and driven by the County Council and will aim to improve facilities for teachers, pupils and the wider community.